Rice plant understanding crops and their importance. What are crops? Crops are plants that farmers grow and cultivate on a large scale for food, clothing, medicine, or other useful products. These plants are carefully planted, grown, and harvested in farms or fields. Examples of crops: food crops, rice, wheat, maize, cooked rice, corn. Cash crops: cotton, sugarcane, money bag. Fruit and vegetable crops: tomato, potato, watermelon, tomato, potato, watermelon. Why crops are important? Provide food. Crops are the main source of food for humans and animals. Grains like rice and wheat are staple foods in many countries. Support the economy. Farming and crop production provide jobs for millions of people. Many countries earn money by exporting crops like cotton, tea, and coffee. Provide raw materials. Some crops are used to make clothes, medicines, and oils. Example: cotton right pointing arrow clothes, sugarcane right pointing arrow sugar. Kharif crops are crops that are grown during the rainy, monsoon, season. Farmers usually sow these crops in June to July when the monsoon begins and harvest them in September to October. Kharif crops need a lot of water and warm weather to grow well. The heavy rains of the monsoon season provide the perfect conditions for these crops. Remember, RMCG. R. Rice. M. Maize. C. Cotton. G. Groundnut. Think. Rainy monsoon crops grow, cloud with rain seedling. Rabi crops are crops that are grown during the winter season. Farmers usually sow these crops in October to November and harvest them in March to April. Seedling. Why they are called winter crops. Rabi crops grow best in cool weather with less rainfall. They usually need good soil moisture and mild winter temperatures to grow properly. Remember, WBPG, W, wheat, B, barley, P, peas, G, gram. Zaid crops, summer sunshine. Zaid crops are crops that are grown during the short summer season between the Rabi and Kharif seasons. Farmers usually sow these crops in March and harvest them in June. Seedling. Why they are called summer crops. Zaid crops grow well in hot weather and bright sunlight. They often need irrigation, extra water from canals or wells, because there is very little rainfall during this time. Remember, WMC, W, watermelon, M, muskmelon, C, cucumber. Cloud with rain. Kharif crops, rainy season, sowing, June to July. Harvesting, September to October. Need, plenty of rain and warm weather. Examples: rice, maize, cotton, groundnut. Snowflake. Rabi crops, winter season, sowing, October to November. Harvesting, March to April. Need, cool climate and less rainfall. Examples: wheat, mustard, barley, peas. Sun. Zaid crops, summer season, sowing, March. Harvesting, June. Need, hot weather and irrigation. Examples: watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber.